In this video, I'm going to show you Tesla establishing a drone flight prohibition zone around the Berlin Gigafactory and how Tesla removes trees and roots from the Gigafactory. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. Before we start, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel, ring the bell and like this video to stay tuned as I'm going to show the Berlin Gigafactory's detailed map in the next video. Today our friend Jurgen, who tweets at GF for Tesla and sends us these videos from Berlin, was stopped by the police at every access near the Gigafactory and was checked. When the police officer saw his drone that he was using to make drone videos of the area, he explained to him that around the Gigafactory 4, a drone flight prohibition zone was established. Here are some pictures that Jurgen took while showing his ID to the police. But Jurgen was able to send us this following video report, which you're about to see, which is an update from February 24th, today, at what's happening at Gigafactory 4 and how the area cleaning is progressing. As you can see, the work on the building site proceeds as planned. Fallen trees are transported away. One of you commented that they may be using them to build card boxes. That's what they usually do. And the roots are removed. Enjoy this video. Visit us at torquenews.com and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next report about Berlin's Gigafactory detailed map. Have a blessed day.